Let's talk today about liquid chlorophyll. A healthy drink for the whole family to improve your health. Minja's easy and quick favorite recipe. Definitely tastes good to you too.
Qi-Optima, your source of life force.
Liquid chlorophyll.
Then also show this.
A drink that contains alfalfa and mint. Nature Sunshine has the highest quality standards. Liquid chlorophyll cleanses, alkalines, maintains the intestine's activity, and it's an antioxidant. Now let's make my favorite family drink. Not ever as an evening drink.
And I'm gonna make a drink for my mom and me. So we first put this. You know what's this? It's my mom's parrot. Shh. Okay, and we're gonna.
Remember to keep liquid chlorophyll always in the fridge.
We need 2 juice because this is almost done. Whoops, I
Honest.
made a mess. Whoops.
No problem. Wait a minute. Take this, Victoria. Take this. Muy bien.
That is so good. Now we're gonna put this in my mom's drink.
No need.
Hey, wait! This will cook people and it tastes so yummy. There!
Ta-da!
This is what I make with the drink. And I hope that you like it. Bonjour!
Bonjour!
Qi-Optima, your source of life force.
So enjoy every day a glass or 2. Liquid chlorophyll from Nature Sunshine. You can order from many places, links below the video. Personalized program for online from Qi-Optima. Qi-Optima, the source of your life force.